Hi guys, this is day 27. 27! Day 27, you know me, Mr. Aura himself. You know me, yeah. So guys, my CPU it has arrived. It has arrived. Arrived. So guys, let's unbox it. Yeah, let's unbox it. Yes. Oh, 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 oh. Yes, yes, yes. As you see here, it is you know, I think this thing is a thermal paste. I think so. I think it's thermal paste. As you see, it's an i5. Here it is written i5. Oh, i5 CPU.